What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. Today I got an unboxing and first impressions of a brand new set of over-ear cans. Now this set of cans, I think they was just released, I think in January of this year. Oh, my ear's ringing. Someone's talking about me. No, seriously. No, but I think it was released earlier this year. I think I think it first popped up on Amazon in January. I think. I gotta double check. But this is from an up-and-coming audio manufacturing company that they specialize in headphones and whatnot. They've actually been around for a little while now. And the company I'm referring to is Oneodio. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. Like, they spell audio with O-D-I-O. I don't know. Or it's spelled audio. I don't know. But these guys have put out headphones quite a bit consistently for the last 2, 3, maybe 4 years. I don't know. They aren't as new. They aren't as old as the old school guys like Taltronics, MPOW, Bluedio, and whatnot. I think these guys are more recent. These folks are more recent. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox a brand new set of cans. Now, what attracted me to this set of cans is one particular feature. One, my wife I think is gonna like because she has the. You're gonna see what I mean, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. So see, this I would have done this yesterday, but I just got this in today. So I mean, I can only do it today. So let's see. I'm unboxing it. I cut the tape. Tape as hard as it looks. Get that box out of here. Okay, it's smaller. It's smaller than I expected it to be. So the headphones I'm unboxing today is the Oneodio Fusion wireless headphones, and they are DJ headphones as well. There's crud on the box. Let me wipe it. There we go. Okay. Let me read off some specs real quick. Bluetooth 4.2, which is standard, I could say. Like now, headphones that are coming out now, 2019, if they're not at least up to Bluetooth 4.1, well, I'm just gonna say Bluetooth 4.2 and up. As they should be. I mean, you know, anything below 4.2, that's like last year or 2017 even. So, but Bluetooth 4.2, that should be the standard. 5.0 should be the standard, but a lot of people it takes time for people to adopt to 5.0. So let me see, but there's actually a lot of 5.0 headphones out there right now. You have 40mm drivers. Okay, and let's see, how long does it take? The talk time up to 20 hours. Oh, wow, that's a long time. Charge time is 2.5 hours. Okay, wireless range is less than 12 meters, so this can go a little bit beyond 30 feet. I'm gonna test it. I haven't done a distance test on a set of cans in a long time. Okay, so standby is 30 to 40 hours. Bluetooth music current, I think it's saying 17 to 20 hours. Oh, music playtime is up to 25 hours, I should say. Okay, there is no active noise cancellation on this thing. This is just for pretty much audio experience. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes in that box, and the box is fairly standard. It looks really standard. Let me go ahead. I'm assuming there's no tape. There you go. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Oh crap. Okay, holy smokes, look at these wires. Look at what kind of wires they give you here. Let's see. Okay, here's your standard 3.5mm jack. You can plug into any standard 3.5mm device, tablet, my LG V40 and whatnot. And I have here the secondary wire, 3.5mm jack, but look at this, 6.5mm. I'm pretty sure the 6.5. I know my wife plays the guitar, so maybe I can have her do an audio voiceover, you know, just for experience. I'm gonna have her test out that part because I'm not the guitar player. She is. Okay, she's a musical one in this family. Well, I'm sort of musically inclined, but not as much. Okay, but yeah, look. The unique thing about these headphones is you can have this plugged into your, I'm assuming your right ear cup, okay, connected to your audio device, smartphone, tablet, whatever, and this connected to your guitar, and have these both going at the same time. So that's interesting. Okay, that's one of the interesting things I wanted to use this for. Plus, I also wanted to see if this will work as a cheap studio set of monitors. Now, I have a bunch of headphones that I use for as a monitor, but I'm doing podcasts now. Kind of. I'm the producer of this show called MNC. Yeah, go ahead and check them out, Mooch and Crap Gamer. I'm producing there, and I need a good set of cans, or a decent set of cans that I can use as a backup monitor. And here they are. Holy smokes! Look at this. Wow, the build quality on these things. Look at this. Holy smokes! Look, this feels like a premium set, and this thing only costs $50, $49.99 actually. I actually got it for $49.99. I opted for free shipping because I don't have Amazon Prime anymore. I lapsed, but $50. The quality. Look at this headband right here. See the headband underneath? This thing is a big cushion. It's really soft. Now they do swivel, like any real monitors do. Now the leather pads, they're soft, but they still feel a little firm compared to something like my IdeaPlay V402, which is heaven on the ears. But these, I think, will get the job done for a 2-hour podcast, you know, or something like that, you know, or just plain listening. Now, what feels a little cheaper, what you have to be careful with, this swivel right here. You see this? I think this is plastic. I think there's a metal. I think it's one piece of metal going out through the whole headband, but right here, I think this hinge right here, I think it's plastic. So you have to be careful. But they do fold. They fold. They fold and they swivel, which is great. Now they have right and left. Oh, okay. So the left has the 6.5 millimeter jack. You plug that in, and then you stick this part into your guitar, and then you got your 3.5 millimeter on the other side. And there you go. And this thing has something called twist to lock, where you twist the 3.5 millimeter jack cable into the set of into the headphone, and it'll be locked there. You can't pull it out. Now you gotta pull it out. You gotta twist it back, then you pull it back out. So that's a unique mechanism here. Okay, it's not gonna, like, you know how say if you drop your phone and your 3.5 millimeter jack is short, and it just rips the 3.5 millimeter jack out of the socket. Something like that, okay? Hey, it's a feature, okay? It's nice to have a feature in there. So, let's see what else it came with. Comes with a nice leather bag. Look at this leather bag. Or, I don't think it's leather. Well, it comes with a bag, okay? Better than nothing. And you got your USB, micro USB cord cable to charge this headset. Now we got the instructions here. I'll probably will not toss the instructions like I normally do. I'm probably gonna read into this because I'm gonna I have to understand how to get, you know, connected to the guitar and see whatnot, and I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and test the music quality out right now. So let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a jump cut to see how these headphones are set up. Alright folks, I went ahead and got this set up. I got it paired to my LG V40. Now let's go ahead. It got brighter in here because my window's right there. So all of a sudden it got sunny. It was dark. It's strange. I know, Texas weather. But so the first half of the video is going to be like dim, and the second half is bright. Sorry guys and gals. And okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and play my usual song. So I got it paired up. So fairly simple controls here. The buttons, you got the power button right in the middle. You have volume, up and down buttons here. I'm assuming if you long press the volume buttons, you're gonna use those to skip forward and skip backwards. So the controls are on the ear cup, which I like. Talking to you, Bluedio T6S. Okay, no, seriously. Right and left. All right, here we go. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit because it looks a little small for my head. Yep. There we go. They fit pretty nicely. Super soft on top, the head. I mean, let's see a full blast. That is full blast. These things got volume. Holy smokes. Whoa! Whoa! These things have volume, okay? The mids and the highs, they're very pronounced. The highs are bordering crystal clear. The mids, they're good. They're not recessed, but they're there. You can hear them. Now, the basses, I think, is what's lacking a little. Let me go ahead and try another song. Let me try my other song. Let me just double check to see if the bass is there or not. It's there, but not as pronounced as I would like it to be. So let's go ahead and listen one more time. I'm gonna adjust that just a little bit more. So yeah, the bass is in the background. You can hear it. It's clean, but it's not bass heavy like the Culture V1s, the Bluetooth F2s, and whatnot. These are very good headphones for what you pay for. Let me go ahead and let's click on another song real quick. Woo! Yeah, these things are loud for what they are. Now, at full volume, it gets slightly sharp, but it's not as bad. I mean, I can handle the volume, not to the point where it gets tingy, you know, like super tingy. I would assume maybe some songs will get tingy, especially like death metal and whatnot. They'll go you're gonna hear it in your ears because these got a lot of mids and highs. They're there. But the bass, it's there, but it's not like an emphasis like the Culture V1s and like Bluetooth U's and whatnot. So this is a very balanced set of cans. This would be ideal for doing, like, if you got $50, you're looking for a decent wireless pair of headphones, something you can use, and a monitor type headphones. You can connect your guitar, your phone, any wireless device you want, your PC and whatnot. I think this is a good one. Oneodio. I mean, I am going to do more research on this thing. I'm gonna do a review. Give me 7 days with this thing. I'm gonna have my wife, maybe if she can do a voiceover. If not, she's too shy, which she is. I'm just gonna go ahead and write down what she says and read them out to you folks, because I want her to hook these up to her smartphone, her LG V30, and a guitar at the same time. See if she can play some music and see what this thing sounds like. But as of right now, okay, first impression, just by listening to it for a few minutes, okay, looking at the features, it's got a pretty standard Bluetooth 4.2 connection. Oh, I'm gonna do a little distance test real quick. I'm gonna do a little jump cut right here. Alright folks, I'm back again. Okay, distance test. I got like to 33 feet, no problem. Okay, I left my phone in the living room over here. Okay, right now I'm in another room, right? I'm about midway through my hallway. So I left my phone in the living room and I went down to my 30 feet tape. It was still solid. Now it's line of sight, mind you, line of sight. And I went a few more feet into my bedroom, the master bedroom, and that's when it's starting to chop. But I'm pretty sure that was like 33 feet, maybe 34 feet. So 12 meters is probably a good bet. Now that's line of sight. Now once I went into my room, I mean that's 30 feet plus. Yeah, it started to chop, and as soon as I got to the end of my room, yeah, the connection was gone. So 12 meters, that's about right, or below. I think you're good. Okay, but most people are not going to wander that far away from their device or their phone or whatever they're connected to anyway. But what I do is I use my headphones when I cook. Okay. I know you're not supposed to because all the heat and condensation might mess up your headphones. I haven't had a problem with it yet because, you know, I'm careful when I do it. So, but yeah, $49.99 for the set of cans. Okay, a bunch of case, couple sturdy cables. The cables do feel kind of sturdy. They don't feel cheap but they're not good either. They're not like super braided cables, but they don't feel cheap like some of the cables you get in some of these other headphones. But yeah, let me know what you folks think about this Oneodio. You folks gonna try it out? I will have a review out. 7 days, maybe less. Okay, because I'm also I'm gonna test the V-Moda Boom Mic Pro. I think I can use it with this headset. Okay, as long as it has a 3.5mm jack, you're gonna be able to use the V-Moda Boom Mic Pro with this thing on. So I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna see, and Oneodio, they state like this should work with a 3.5mm cable. You know, you couldn't connect it to a source, even when this thing is dead, doesn't have a battery. Should. I'm gonna test that out as well. I'm gonna try whatever the charge is on it now. I'm gonna try and drain it to where there's no battery. I'm gonna test it out with my LG V40 and the V-Moda Boom Mic Pro via my Xbox. But yeah, it's Guddang 775. Hope folks like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.